Okay, I'm gonna go over um trade for yesterday, or my day from yesterday, because I didn't take a trade, and then I'm gonna go over pre-market real quick, and then I'm gonna journal just so I have it all on film. But currently it is 9:15, so I have 15 minutes to do this. Shouldn't take too long, but it'll be good. All right. So going into the day yesterday, we have an SMT with new week opening gap, which is like a very key confluence in like the higher time. So we have an SMT with that, which is basically we took out liquidity in a 4 hour fair value gap, is how I look at it, or just a key imbalance in price. So I want to see price go higher because we're at all-time highs as well. 1 hour, we are also respecting bullish fair value gaps and disrespecting bearish fair value gaps. So I wanted to see price expand. Going into the 30-minute, we have two 30-minute fair value gaps that are unfilled, and then we have also on ES 30-minute fair value gap, and then also on the 15-minute. What I saw right at the higher time frame, we had these 15-minute gaps. I wanted to see this get respected to push higher. However, we closed below it, so I was kind of just had a neutral bias for yesterday. However, went to ES, saw that we were kind of respecting this area, so I was like, maybe I'll look for longs. And longs happened to play out, but no entry. 1 minute. And just go through this quick, because again, nothing really happened. Right at open, we got a Judas swing. We manipulated higher. Inverse this range. Went to the 2.5 rejection zone of this manipulation leg higher. So because you accumulated, you manipulated, you distribute. And then price rejected right over here. And then as you can see, we kind of just chopped around. Right here, basically what happened yesterday is that we kind of did the same thing, like we traded up into a 15-minute gap. However, ES didn't have the 15-minute gap, so it's kind of invalid. So no rejection out of ES, so that just is kind of showing signs of bullishness. Also, higher time frame narrative, we're more bullish. We don't really need to go sweep this low. We already have an SMT. We're already rejecting out of this rejection zone. There's no reason to go lower. So we sweep this 15-minute gap. There was like a 30-second entry, I think, somewhere around here, but again, it just didn't really look nice. We're just chopping around. Like maybe you could take something out here, but I want to be like certain that we're gonna go lower. So I didn't take anything. And then again, you just end up ripping up. You get a news candle doom from Trump. I guess he made deals with Iran. And then, yeah, you just chop. So right when I saw this candle, I basically locked my account out for the day because I knew that price was just gonna, basically we already took my target, which were like these highs or wherever. And yeah, that's it. So now I'm gonna go into my pre-market analysis for the day, just to show you guys how I kind of view price. So right now we basically have equal highs up here. ES is at all-time highs, but again, I feel like we would have already gotten a rejection out of this zone if we wanted to go lower. So I think I'm going to target these highs. Just going to mark out some prominent liquidity that I don't think price is going to go too fully, because yet we already kind of moved for the week. It's a Friday, price doesn't really want to move. We're at all-time highs. this, make it kind of look clean. What time is it? 9:20. Yeah, so we still got a little bit of time. So 1 hour. Again, we're just chopping around. Maybe I'd like to see price come for this low to then go higher. But again, we're accumulating. I feel like we already had like our accumulation, distribution, no manipulation, distribution. So now we're just gonna accumulate again. Price is always moving in an AMD. It's kind of crazy, but accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and a little bit down, but accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So now we're gonna do the same thing on this chart. So let's check the 30 minute. The 30 minute also. I'm seeing stuff like around this area. Let's reset my chart view because NQ kind of looks bad. Again, this low is kind of like your prominent area for possibly reversing. Like I'd want to see price enter into this area to even take a long. Same thing. Again, down to this area. Price. 30 minute for right, yeah. And this is just liquidity resting below. With again, we have equal highs up here, which is a very great target. So maybe we can find something to take. And we're also rejecting now out of this bearish shirt I got. But again, still don't think I would take anything because it's not even on ES. Yeah, these lows. Or maybe the sweep of these right here as well. Some of these. But again, you're just going to have to be patient on a day like today. Usually Friday is very improbable. So yeah, just be patient. Wait for your setup to appear. Again, we're accumulating. This would be, I would want to see this as my manipulation to go higher. You have a nice set of equal highs as well on the higher time frame. So yeah, that's it. I'm sure I'll have an aftermarket recap. Probably, for the looks of it right now, I probably won't take anything, but market opens in 7 minutes. I'll record after.